So F-Save is an energy-saving device that we've developed specifically to reduce energy consumption on Filtermist centrifugal oil mist filters. Filtermist developed F-Save specifically because of market demand, so energy efficiency is on everyone's agenda. So we wanted to make our units use less energy, and this is a really simple way of customers to do that.
My name is Billy. I am the maintenance engineer / apprentice here at Majorlift. So what interested me about F-Save was that when we went to the Mac show just gone, I got sent for a brochure about it, and it said about all the energy saving capabilities for it, which I thought was ideal for us. So the machine that's being put on is an existing machine that we already have, which didn't have any extraction on it, so we thought that we might as well trial out the F-Save with the new extraction unit to see how it works. So in terms of the installation process, the engineer turned up when he said he was going to be. All of the parts turned up as well when they were supposed to be. We kind of just let him crack on with it, fit it himself. It didn't take very long at all, only a couple of hours, and now we're happy with how it's turned out.
So F-Save works by a sensor goes onto the coolant pump of the machine tool, and then it sends a signal up to the Filtermist unit. So when the pump isn't pumping, it switches the Filtermist unit off, and then when the pump is pumping coolant, the Filtermist unit comes on. So basically it's matching up the extraction requirements with the demands of the machine tool. So the extraction is only extracting when the machine tool is running, so therefore it's not just moving unnecessarily when it's not needed.
The benefits we're expecting to see from F-Save is saving us money on energy, saving the environment, and also it's a system that kind of takes care of itself. We haven't got to worry about our operators turning it off and on, and it just runs when it needs to. Our machinery in Majorlift runs from 6 o'clock in the morning till 10:30 at night, flat out. So the whole time this extraction unit is on when it probably doesn't need to be. It only really needs to be on for a couple of hours when it's running. With F-Save, it means that the extraction's only running when it's needed. I think this product's better than alternatives because it's not invasive into your current electrical cabinet for your machine. You haven't got to add anything else to it. Instead, it's just a sensor fit on the coolant pump, and it just runs from that.
So I think now's the right time for any Filtermist user to invest in F-Save. I mean, we're filming here today and the weather's 30+ degrees. Energy is on everyone's agenda, carbon dioxide, carbon footprint. So from an environmental perspective, from an energy saving, cost saving perspective, there's no better time to start saving money right now.
We have got plans to install more F-Saves in the future, as I think just having one is not as good as having them on all of our machines, so then we're definitely doing our part. The biggest benefit of F-Save is saving money. Everyone wants to save money, and F-Save is the way to do it.